Okay, good afternoon, friends. I think stream was not started earlier. I was speaking with myself. Okay, so today's date is 21st of January, and currently, if we can see Nifty and all indices, so they are recovering from day's low. So today's, if we see, just a moment, I was checking on my phone whether I'm audible or not. Okay. Okay, I think we have around four viewers, so let's start. So as per our yesterday's prediction video, I was expecting based on the global factors, Nifty will open gap up and it has open gap up above this 23,400. But we are expecting that Nifty to sustain above this 23,400 and after that it can show upside movement like this till 23,500 or 550. But it immediately took rejection from that level and tested around 2300. Again it tested 400, again it tested 100, so it is currently showing W shape recovery. So basically if we see why this volatility is there, so if you can check India wicks, today India wicks is high around 5 to 6%, so it's a 7 week high, so it is trading around 7 week high India wicks. So that's the reason we are seeing this volatility in the market. So I added 2300 call option. So when before starting stream just 10 minutes back it was trading around 200. That's the reason I have added that, and I have added 2200 put options. So I think we need to change this strike price now. I have checked the Sensex strike prices also, but today's Sensex expiry, but still at the many premiums are trading around 300 or 400 range. So these are out of our range. Just a moment. Yeah. Okay, so to change the strike price, we need to go to done platform. I think so. Let's select 23,300 Nifty 23,300 23,300 call. Okay, it's trading around 135, 140, and this put option is 200 put option. Okay, so let it be there. It's around same price, around 130. So currently, if we see on 5 minutes and 15 minutes chart, Nifty is taking resistance around this 23,300. So we can plan quick put option here, but we need to wait because let Nifty cross this 23,230. So if you can see yesterday it couldn't break 23,330 and today also it took support at this level. So after opening it has come at this level and again shown downfall from this level 23,330. So just a moment, someone is at door. Okay, sorry, I'm back. See, premium moves around 120 to 130. So again, I don't know why this text has moved. Nifty 5 minute. I think I'm facing some issue with the connection. Okay, now it's fine. So I think we'll go for put side with the sh- small stop loss here. So let's plan a entry around this. It's trading around 124. Let's plan entry at around 124. So stop loss will be around 110 or 114. 10 point. We are not placing more than 10 point stop loss. Let's see if this we can get. So this reward 24, 34 and 44. Okay, so this can be achievable. let's see, price is coming down, so I think shall we enter in this trade? So we'll just lock this location here. So we'll plan based on, we'll wait for 5 minutes, then we'll plan whether to go with call or put option. So premium is around 120, 124. So if we plan on this next candle, if it test 124, okay, it tested 124. So let's mark our entry at 124. Entry will be, exit will be around 144. Stop loss is around 114. So let's see if this trade works. So meanwhile, let's open our journal. So this will be the first trade for today. Today is 21st January. We took trade in Nifty. Strike price is 23,200 PE, 23,200 PE. Let's see. So premium recently tested this 134. So in Nifty, sometimes it's easy to get 10 points. So as per the premium, it we have entered at around 124 or 125. So if we see, it has given almost 8 to 10% return after our entry. So that one more point also we need to sorry, consider. If we are trading strike price below 150, so it's better to put a target of 10% of premium. So our entry is around 124 or 125. So it's 12 to 14 point. Currently we are targeting 20 point. So 20 point is around 16 to 17% returns. So let's see, it's just crossing 137. So our target is 144, 145. Nifty is also coming down. So I will just minimize this journal. So hopefully we'll achieve our target. So premium has made high of around 140, 150. So 142. Our target is 144. Let's see. Nifty needs to test at least this 23 to 200. We'll get our target. So if this way trade works, once we enter and if it works quickly within 5-10 minutes, nothing like that. As an option trader, we need this kind of movement, so we'll be out from the trade within 5-10 minutes. So you can consider this trade as a successful. Yes, it hit our target. Premium is trading around 144. It's crossed that also. So let's assume that we are exiting since the Nifty is trading 23,200 level. It may take support and reverse from here. Just a moment. छोटा हो ज्यादा ऐसे
अच्छा
पहले ऐसा टाइट नहीं बांधूंगा।
अच्छा अच्छा। नहीं इसमें तो देखो एक बार चाहो तो यूरिक एसिड करा लो एक बार कराना है तो। बाकी और तो कुछ नहीं है वो स्टैटिक कुछ टाइप की पोजिशनल है मतलब ये आपका।
हाँ थोड़ा या सोते हो कुछ पोजीशन ऐसा पाव
हाँ
उल्टा हो
या
गया तो
फिर
उस दिन।
अर्थराइटिस भी नहीं दवाई देते हैं 2-3 बार तो ठीक हो जाता है।
अभी लास्ट टाइम भी वो दूसरा वाला टैबलेट लिया ना,
हाँ
एक
हाँ।
टैबलेट लेने के बाद इमीडिएटली बंद हो गया।
तो वो दवाई अभी हमें एंजियोस्पर्म दी थी शायद मैंने।
पहले कुछ पेन किलर दिया था, उसके बाद उससे कम नहीं हुआ तो दूसरा ले लो बोला था।
अच्छा
तो वो
अच्छा।
2 दिन वो पेन किलर था वो लिया
हाँ
जाए तो उसका प्रिस्क्रिप्शन है मेरे पास, लेकिन वो दूसरे वाले का अपने वो पिताजी के साथ दिया था ना पाउडर के साथ लिख के।
पुराना वाला प्रिस्क्रिप्शन क्या है जो मैंने लिखा
मतलब
था।
Hello, apologies for interruption. So someone is at home, so that's the reason. Okay, no problem. So you can see how this trade has beautifully worked. So we have exited around 144 as per our plan, and premium has made high of around 180. So anyways, let's update our journal. What today? I don't know what is the issue with the connection. So today's trade is in profit. So let's update this. See, so we have achieved around 20 points. So this reward will be 1 s to 2. Here we can mention trade worked as expected, trade within 5 minutes. So if you want in more detail, you can mention all other details also. So basically, premium has made a high of around 180. Our entry was so that detailing can be done because we have not mentioned entry price, exit price that way. So here this 6 point stop loss led to it zero point 0.6 R. So it will be minus zero point 0.6 R. Otherwise, okay. So we have made today 20 points. So let's see if we find any opportunity. So as per our rule, if first trade goes in profit, as per this reward, will not take second trade. So this is the rule. So do if we still want to take one more trade, we can take, but you can see market is volatile and we don't know from here Nifty will show upside movement or again it will come down from here and break day's lows. So that's the reason it's better to avoid next trade. So we can continue our analysis and we can see how it works. So on 15 minutes chart, you can see how it took the rejection from 23 125. So in such situations, it can directly move up also quickly and show slow and steady movement and can break day's low as also. So at this position, it's difficult to enter into the market. So see, as I mentioned, it quickly moving upside. So if we see the 2300 call option C premium, it is breaking the trend line as well. So if we mark this trend line, so price is around 133, it's crossing. So here we can plan one trade, but it's we need to wait for the retracement and we don't know will it be the retracement or purely reversal of the trend. Okay, let's plan one more trade since we have profit. So we'll plan entry on this candle What will be the stop loss? This candle's low is 127. So price has moved very up 147. So if we get entry around 137, 138, 137, can it this trade be planned? Okay, it took rejection quickly. So Nifty is taking rejection from 300. So that's the reason I was mentioning here making entry either in call or put is risky. So let's plan entry around 124, same trade. Let's see if order fills and stop loss will be 10 point, that is 140, and target will be again 144. So let's see if our order gets filled. I will lock it here. So I have placed order for 124 for this paper trade in to 23,300 call option. So Nifty is taking rejection. So our order got filled for the paper trade. Premium is below 119, 118. I think it will take our stop loss as well if rejection continues. But let's hope for the best. So our target is below this high of the candle only. So this candle has made high of 148. Our target is 144. But I don't know it will take stop loss or not. Yes, our order is at 124. Stop loss is at 114. So let's see. Premium is at cost. So Nifty, if Nifty sustain above this 250 and again tries to test 270 or 300, will get this 20-point target or will give 10-point stop loss. Just a moment. Okay, premium is exactly taking support at our entry price. So that is the reason after, after first successful trade, we need to wait for some time. We need to take break from trading and then we need to plan our second entry after 30 minutes minimum. Now, since we have entered, let's see what will be the outcome. Price is reaching at our stop loss and stop loss got hit. So unnecessary, we have made loss of 10 points here. So what you can call this can be called as FOMO, fear of missing trade or unwanted entry. So let's enter that. So whatever mistakes we are doing, we need to know. So again, we have done entry. This will be the second trade. Sorry, 21st January, Control V, Nifty 23 300 call option. This trade ended up in loss. We have made a loss of minus 10 points here. Risk reward is minus 1. So in remarks, we can mention what the mistakes we have made. Early entry in running, we can mention in running trend. Or we can mention form of fear of missing opportunity. So unnecessary, we lost 10 points, which we got quickly out of 20 points. So no problem, let's see. So as per our rule, now we are not taking. That's the reason if first trade goes in profit, as per this reward, we will not take second trade. So this is the reason we need to follow our rules. Whatever rules we make, we need to follow. Anyway, so this we have made the mistake today because we easily got 20 points in our first trade quickly in this PE trade. Again, we entered in C considering this big candle or rejection from bottom. So as I have mentioned, we should avoid such mistakes. So you can say after hitting our stop loss, market is again moving in our direction. So that's fine. It's came to our cost. So you can mention your views whether Nifty will go up from here, that is 250, 23, 250 to 300 or 400. So shall we enter in this trade again, or because if we enter again, we'll lose again whatever the remaining 10 points profit which we have made in put trade. If you can see now in 5 minutes chart, it's moving up. So premium is back to our cost after hitting our 10 point stop loss. So that's the reason I mentioned we need to avoid trade at this zone after seeing this much of rejection from bottom. And what exactly we thought the same thing happened and our stop loss got hit in C. So let's quickly see what Sensex is doing. So earlier, as I mentioned, premiums are very high irrespective of expiry. That's the reason we took trade in Nifty. No worries, let's see Sensex. Let this Nifty 5 minute chart, it will be here. So let's add strike price for Sensex. Sensex is trading around 76,700. Since the premiums are very high, we'll add out of the money. It will be risky because today is Sensex expiry, but still we'll add 77,000 call option and 76,200 put option. Let's see what the premiums are going on for this. Sensex 677,000 call. Yeah, premium is around 200. And if we see the put side premiums, Sensex, what we have added around 300 point out of the money. So let's add 76,300 put. Sensex 76,300 put option. Okay, it's around 166. So you can see in 5 minutes this premium has moved from 140 till 200. So this much is volatility in Sensex option trading. So here we need to quickly enter and quickly exit, and you need to put a limit order for exit or entry as well, because otherwise getting exit at market will be difficult. See now this premium has moved till 230 or 40. We were seeing around 200. Let's put Sensex 5 minute chart. Okay, because it if it shows rejection from here again this way, this premium will again test 140 or 120 also due to the expiry, because it's out of the money. Strike price is 77,000 call option. So if we get better this reward in put option, will enter here put option. I think it will take rejection. So let's plan an entry into Sensex 76,300 put option quickly around this. Let's assume our entry happen at around 190, 194, I think 190, 194 or 195 we have entered in our paper trade. So our target will be recent swing, that is 1s to 2. Stop loss is 10 points. Just to mention, stop loss below this candle will be very high. It is going to 160 or one end. So if we put our stop loss around, I'm not interested to put more than 10 point stop loss. So it should be 184 since our entries are around 194, 195, and our target will be, it's 1s to 2, so around 214. So let's see premium, let's log this trade. So premium is trading around 195, so at cost. So this will be the last trade. So this will be our third trade, and we have broke our rules. So recently premium made high of 205. Our target is 214 or 15. So we have entered into 76,300 put option. We are expecting some rejection from this 675 level in Sensex, and if it tests 76,600 also, or 30-40 points movement, we'll get this 20 points in this trade. So currently we are at cost, and as I have mentioned, there will be high volatility in Sensex. So we don't know whether, see, it's showing upside movement. So this will be the last trade. So we are ready to lose whatever remaining 10 points we have made in our first trade. So our stop loss is around 185 or 184. Premium is trading around 190. So I think we'll why this chart is showing this way? I need to zoom it properly. Okay, it's again back to cost around 191, 192. Nifty and Sensex both making green candle. I think our stop loss got hit, and again premium is moving up. It back to cost. So it depends upon this candle whether it takes rejection or show upside movement. We are at cost around 194. So I've kept very small stop loss of 10 points. So let's see. During last candle, premium has went up to our cost. See, as I mentioned, this has made a high of around 230. So you can again mention that stop premium has went till above the stop loss and hit our target. So as expected, Sensex had tested this 600 level. So we'll consider this trade as a successful trade and record in our journal. Okay, so this is the third trade today. We took this trade in Sensex. So all these things are for learning purpose. You can see now this premium is trading 240, 230. So I'm just trying to show that our analysis is correct. Irrespective of we have kept very small stop loss. So Sensex took rejection exactly from this 685 or 675, or you can mention 76, 700 level, and shown fall as expected below this 600, 76, 600. So premium has made high of around 280 to 75. So this will happen because Sensex, as I mentioned, there is a high volatility. So we have planned our entry on this candle. Okay, let me update the trading journal. So which strike price we entered. So all these are paper trades. So but the recording of the trades or journaling is important. So at the end of the week, we'll have clarity whether our approach or trading style is correct or not. So it will try to improve ourselves as I mentioned the second trade which we took in Nifty in call side. So earlier entry in running trade. So that was the mistake where we lose 10 points. Now the PE trade we took in 76 300 PE. Okay, 76 600 put option. It is a win and points achieved 20 and risk reward achieved 2. So here we can mention that price has almost hit SL. SL was on lower side as compared to Sensex expiry day volatility. Expiry day. So from this you can understand if we are trading Sensex, then our stop loss limit or stop loss range should be also higher. So at least as I mentioned for Bank Nifty Sensex, minimum stop loss should be 20 points. So here if we would have put 20 points stop loss, target 40 point or 60 point easily achievable, 2.5 or 3 also. But we are trading with small stop loss in Nifty. So same stop loss we have carried towards Sensex. So what will be the next opportunity? So we took two trades, paper trades in Nifty. One is successful, one hit stop loss. So Sensex I have considered as a successful trade. Still it is moving up. Sensex P trade. So Sensex is taking resistance around this 76, 700 and 800. So if you are planning for 20, 30 points with small stop loss, it can be easily achievable. Suppose if you plan one more trade here around 160 with small stop loss of 150, then target can be around 180 or 1 200 also. So I'm not taking this trade, even paper trade also. I'm just mentioning because from here, Sensex is trying to sustain above this 500 level, 76,500. It will at least show movement till 76,600 if this candle doesn't break its open or low of previous candle. So this premium will again test this 185 or 200 also. So that way with small stop loss quick trades can be planned. So you can mention your views how you can plan your trades in comment section. So it will be helpful for me also. See, it came down. So this PE premium moved till 300. So anyways, if we are wrong, accept the stop loss and exit from the trade. So that is the better way. Oh, it's 2300 C. Just a moment. Where is that? 76, 77,000 Sensex premium. This PE trade worked nicely based on our analysis. So it's almost 2 o'clock. So as I mentioned, we'll not plan any further paper trade. So today we took three paper trades for our learning purpose. Today is 21st January. One trade in Nifty put side. So that was successful and even it has given better target. So if we would have holded for another 5 minutes, the risk reward can be achieved 1 as to 3 also. And same with this Sensex. We exited with 20 points as per our plan, paper trade plan, and it has made a high of around 300. So can be captured not 100 point, but instead of 20, 30, 40 points. Again, this reward can be improved by 2.5 or 3, 1 as to 3. And one small loss we have made in call option. So entry was done in running trend and it can be mentioned as FOMO also, missing the trade. So we'll see based on that. So we'll continue, as mentioned, we'll continue this live streaming at same time around 12:30 or 1 p.m. for next for 3 days, and we'll see end of the week how much point overall points whether we have in positive or negative. So it will not be in terms of amount, so it will be the cumulative point. So if we see as on today from last Friday, we are plus around 39 points. So if you made this plus and minus, so amount can be depend upon your quantity and capital. So let's see how much point we can accumulate or lose till this Friday. So based on that, we'll know our trading styles. So today we'll close this journal. So you can see the volatility. This PE premium is again back to our cost of around 190, made high of around 330. So that's the reason it's always better to exit as per our expectation because market can go anywhere up or down and there is no top or bottom which we can identify or we can catch also. So the people who are watching this live stream as a video, as a recording, also share their views whether this live streams are helpful to understand market structure or how to plan the trades, because this is the simple way I plan my trades. So you can mention that in comment section. So shall we end our today's live stream? It's almost 1 hour, and again we are not looking for any opportunity. So if we see, as I mentioned in Nifty also, if it take rejection from this 300, and it can slowly continue to test days low, and it can break that also till 330. And because now we cannot say, because after this zigzag movement, and as I've mentioned, the India VIX is also on a higher side, around 5 to 6% up. So this volatility will be there today. Okay, friends, thanks for watching and thanks for joining. Keep watching, keep learning. So we'll end today's stream.